Hello, lovely friends. Today we are practicing only speaking. Remember to practice and to repeat after teacher talks. Okay? Elmo wants to say hi as well. Say hi, friends, little friends. Elmo is here. As you can see, I have a monkey here. Monkey begins with the m sound. Remember, m sound. That's what we're going to practice. Practice m sound. Excellent. Okay, so let's say monkey, moon, milk, mitten, mouse, mirror, money, meat, mine, more. Okay, let's do it again. Monkey, moon, milk, mitten, mouse, mirror, money, meat, mine, and more. Okay, those are the words for the m. Hay que repetir, ok? Repetir muy bien estas palabras. Monkey, moon, milk, mitten, mouse, mirror, money, meat, mine, and more. Excellent practice. Say goodbye to Elmo. Bye-bye, Mr. Elmo. See you then.